In this video, we're going to be solving a linear inequality with multiple occurrences of the variable, and this will be problem type 2. I have another video for problem type 1. Okay, so our first problem, we have 9u minus 35 is less than or equal to negative 4 times 5 minus 3u. Okay, so the first thing I want to do on this is go ahead and distribute this negative 4 to this parentheses here. So that will leave us with 9u minus 35 on the left side is less than or equal to negative 4 times 5 is negative 20, and negative 4 times negative 3u, and negative times a negative is a positive, so positive 12u. Okay. Next, I'm going to add this 35 to both sides. I am attempting to get all the u's to be on the left side and all the numbers to be on the right side. Okay, so this cancels over here, and that leaves me with a 9u is less than or equal to negative 20 plus 35 is 15. Okay, and then plus 12u. Okay, next I'm going to take that 12u and subtract it from both sides so that it cancels out over here. And 9u minus 12u is going to be a negative 3u. So we get negative 3u is less than or equal to 15. Okay, and our last step is to divide by this negative 3 because it's being multiplied. So if I divide it, it'll cancel. Divide that side by negative 3 as well. And since this is inequality and we're dividing by a negative number, I need to flip the direction of the inequality. It's going to go the other way now. Okay, so that will give us u is greater than or equal to, and 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. So that is our answer. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. So I've got negative 5 times v plus 6 and then plus 10, and then it's greater than 2 times 2 minus v. So first, I'm going to distribute the negative 5 to that parentheses, and then I'm also going to distribute the 2 to that parentheses. So negative 5 times v is negative 5v. Negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. Here's the plus 10. Okay, and then it's still greater than, and then distribute the 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and then 2 times negative v is negative 2v. Okay, I'm going to combine these two right here, the negative 30 and 10. Okay, that's going to give us negative 20. So we get negative 5v minus 20 is greater than 4 minus 2v. Okay, now I'm going to do what I did last time. I'm going to bring all the v terms over here to the left, and all the number terms are going to go to the right. So to get rid of this negative 20, I'm going to add a 20 to both sides. That'll make it cancel there to give me negative 5v is greater than, this is 24, 4 plus 20, minus 2v. Okay. Now I am going to add a 2v to both sides. That'll make it cancel out over there. And that gives me negative 3v is greater than 24. Okay. I need to divide again by a negative number. So I'm dividing by that negative 3, which means the inequality is going to change direction again. So it's v, and then it's less than now. And 24 divided by negative 3 is negative 8. Okay, let's look at one last problem. So we've got this negative 30 plus 7 times 3 minus x is less than or equal to negative 5 times x plus 5. So I'm going to distribute the 7 to this parentheses and distribute the negative 5 to that parentheses. Okay, so this gives us negative 30. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times negative x is negative 7x. There's my less than or equal to sign. And then negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And negative 5 times positive 5 is negative 25. Okay, I want to combine these two numbers right here, the negative 30 and the 21, so that's going to make negative 9. So negative 9 minus 7x is less than or equal to negative 5x minus 25. Okay, so I want to move this 9, because I'm trying to get the x's over here, So I add the 9. It'll cancel out here. That'll leave me with a negative 7x is less than or equal to, and then we have negative 5x, and this right here, negative 25 plus 9, is going to be negative 16. I'm going to add a 5x to both sides, so it'll make it cancel out there. Negative 7x plus 5x is negative 2x, is less than or equal to negative 16. And then finally, we want to divide by this number in front of x, so I'll divide by negative 2. And remember, since we're dividing by a negative number, the inequality is going to flip directions. So it's x is greater than or equal to, and negative 16 divided by negative 2 is 8. And that's it.